everyone, and I love natural hair, aka Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make my flaxseed gel. And if you're interested, keep on watching. I put 3 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of flaxseed. So this is a 1/4 cup of flaxseed, and I'll let it soak in until it's swollen. I'll show you what it looks like when it's swollen. So this is what it looks like when it's swollen. So I'm going to put it on the stove to boil it now, and I'll show you the process. So this is what it looks like when it's boiling. It's gonna get thicker and it will be done. I'll show you the process after it's done. So it's getting cool. And I'll show you the process when I finish. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. So I just make 1 dose. So if you want to do more than this, you could double it up. And so I'm just going to use it for this one time, and then whatever is left over, I'll put it in the fridge. And this is a cheesecloth, and this is what I'm going to strain it in. So this is how I strained it out. It's in the cheesecloth. And this is how much I have in it so far. This is what it looks like. I'm going to strain it out, and this is how I strain it. See it? It's really thick. I know it's kind of slimy. So with this, I don't put anything, I don't put any oils and stuff in it. So if you wanted to put oil in yours, then that's fine. I'm applying it. I'm gonna be applying it to my hair, and I'll show you when I'm applying it. And then I'm gonna put it in an applicator bottle, and I'll show you how I do that. See that, guys? This is how thick it is. So if you want to learn to do your own gel, then this is how you do it. And I did get this recipe from Natural 85. So if she's on YouTube, she's a YouTuber too, and she makes products now too. So this is my version of it. And this is what it looks like when I'm finished squeezing it out. There's nothing else to be squeezed out. It's all in there. And this is the amount that I got. And I'm gonna be putting it in my bottle now and I'll show you. So this is the funnel and the applicator bottle that I'm gonna be putting it in. And here it is. And do you see how thick it is? So this is the applicator bottle and this is how much I got out of it. And that's enough for now. Next time I'll double it up and yeah. So this is how I make my flaxseed gel. And when I'm putting it in my hair, I'll show you the application. So I did one side of my hair with the DIY gel that I just made, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you the consistency of the gel. It feels very moisturized and it's runny. So this is the consistency of it. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna finish my other side of the hair off camera and I'll come back and show you the final look of the flaxseed gel. So this is what my hair is looking like after I'm done. And so I'm gonna air dry. And the truth is, when it's finally dry, that's when you'll see what it really looks like. So I'll come back and show you when it's dry. So I did do my flaxseed gel, and this is the flaxseed gel in my hair. And my hair is fully dry. And this is what it looks like. Let me show you the back. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And it's been raining here, so my hair is a little bit frizzy right now, but it still looks good. I love the way it came out. It has a lot of body to it. So guys, let me know if this helps you. So that's it for now. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.